Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And this time I'm going to make a floral arrangement out of these dried flowers. As you can see, I have this hydrangeas in here, the blue. I have the red, ayan. And then we have this the roses in here. Tapos ito, damo-damo lang to. I don't know if it's the pampas. I'm not sure. Pero damo lang to na galing sa sa paligid-ligid dito. Tapos ito, ayan, o di ba? Tapos I have this yellow, I have the sinya. Ayan, so let's see what I can do with this. So, tapos ito, I bought this vases from Dollar Tree. Ayan, iba-ibang klase. So, ayan. It's only $1. And then we have this cotton. It's a flower. It's cotton balls. Ayan, so hopefully I can make a nice flower arrangement. So, actually I'm gonna make one with this hydrangea first. So, I'm gonna use this blue. Ayan. We need to put something inside. So, I have these pebbles. Yeah, the pebbles. Lagyan lang natin so just put the pebbles in here. Ayan, so I put some in there already. So, ito siya. I'm gonna put one in here. Ayan. Actually, I'm going to give it to my friend because it's gonna be her birthday on Monday. So, I'm gonna bring it. So we're going to put some I think we have to put ito, it's only from the grass too. Diba? Ayan. I'm gonna use this one. So this one I colored it with like a grays, ayan, silver. diba? It's beautiful. Tapos what else can I put? And ito, it's only the gasinya. Maybe I can put it here. Isn't it? It's beautiful. It's simple yet elegant. So ito, kinuha ko lang to sa tabi-tabi. Ayan. O diba? Bongga. So this is my first one. Okay guys, so this is the first floral arrangement that I made. It's gonna be a gift for my friend, so I hope she will like it. Okay, so now I made another batch. So this time around, it's the roses and then the red hydrangeas, and then this is the damo-damo. O diba? Simple. But it looks nice. So, and then I have some more to go. So, ayan. Okay, so this time I'm gonna use this big base. And I have this. I think it's too high. Then we have this. So ito, ang mga damo-damo lang siya. So, dito natin ilalagay yung aking mga roses. So it's gonna be a big so the white roses. Diba? I have to put more of this. Luto na anak yung ano.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! So finally I'm done with my first DIY dried flowers arrangement. So I'm so proud of myself. So this is the first one. Actually, that's the first one that I did. So this is the hydrenia. Ayan. And then these things, I just got it from Dollar Tree. So, and then this also from our yard, so it doesn't look like cheap. Ayan, but it looks nice. I'm so proud of myself. Ayan. And then this is my favorite, the red hydrenia. Actually, I got it from my daughter's friend. Ayan, it's actually withered when I got it. And then of course I have the old rose in there. Ayan. You want to see, and I put some butterfly, and then these are the grasses from my backyard. Ayan. And of course this big one, these are the roses in it, and then this is the yellow flower. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you will like all my new creation, and please let me know what do you think of these flowers. O diba, makakasave ka na, tapos mapapakinapangan mo pa yung mga flowers na binigay sa inyo, so you don't have to throw it away. You can reuse it, and they said it lasts for about 2 years, so I really don't know, but if you want to know how to preserve it, I have one vlog that I did prior to this. And then there's another one, how I dried it. Ayan. So I hope I can help you guys. I am also a newbie with this kind of floral arrangement. But I'm so proud of myself. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you like it. God bless everyone. Bye. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and leave a comment, please. I need your feedback about this flower. So please do let me know how to improve my flower arrangement next time. But
like a fire that burns so bright, I was day and you were night. Like a spark, we were quick to ignite. Then you ask yourself, is it worth this fight?